Best Smart Home Routines Under $100. Complete Automation Guide. Best Smart Home Routines Under $100. Complete Automation Guide. When people think about smart homes, they often imagine expensive setups that require professional installation and thousands of dollars in equipment. The good news is that you can build a functional, genuinely useful smart home automation system for less than $100. The key is knowing where to start and which products give you the most automation power for your money. Smart home automation doesn't have to be complicated or costly. In fact, some of the best smart home routines are the simple ones that solve real problems in your daily life. Whether you want to automate your lighting, control your temperature, or secure your doors, there are affordable options available right now. The trick is choosing a smart home hub that works well with budget-friendly accessories, then building your routines from there. The foundation of any smart home system is a central hub that lets all your devices talk to each other. Smart speakers with built-in hubs are your most affordable option. A basic smart speaker from a major manufacturer typically costs between $30 and $50 and includes everything you need to get started. This device becomes the brain of your system, allowing you to create routines that trigger multiple actions with a single voice command or at specific times of day. For example, you could say, "Good night," and have your lights turn off, your doors lock, and your thermostat adjust all at once. Once you have your hub in place, the next step is adding smart lights. Budget-friendly smart bulbs and light switches can transform how you live. A single smart bulb costs between $10 and $20, while smart light switches that control multiple bulbs run $30 to $40. These aren't luxury items anymore. They're practical tools that let you control lighting from anywhere, set schedules so lights turn on at sunset, and even create scenes for different moods. Many people find that automating their lighting is the first step that makes their home feel genuinely smart. Smart plugs are another game changer for budget-conscious automation enthusiasts. These small devices plug into your existing outlets and let you control anything plugged into them. A quality smart plug costs between $10 and $15. You can use them to turn off coffee makers automatically, schedule your fan to run during specific hours, or ensure your phone charger isn't drawing power when you're not using it. They're perfect for adding smart functionality to devices that aren't inherently smart, like lamps, space heaters, or holiday lights. Temperature control is something most people want to automate, but smart thermostats can be pricey. However, there are affordable options that work with your existing system. Some budget thermostats cost between $40 and $60 and still offer remote control and basic scheduling. If a full thermostat replacement isn't in your budget right now, a smart plug combined with a portable space heater or window unit can give you zone control in specific rooms. This approach costs less and gives you flexibility. As your system grows, security and peace of mind are worth automating too. Smart door locks, video doorbells, and motion sensors have become much more affordable. You can find basic smart locks for $60 to $80 that let you unlock your door remotely and create access codes for family members. Video doorbells start around $50 and give you visibility of who's at your door even when you're away. Motion sensors cost $15 to $25 each and can trigger lights when you come home or alert you to activity in certain areas. The beauty of building smart home routines under $100 is that you're not locked into one expensive ecosystem. You can mix and match devices from different manufacturers as long as they're compatible with your chosen hub. This flexibility means you can start small, learn what works for your lifestyle, and expand gradually. Free smart home automation is possible too when you use the built-in features of your devices. Most smart home apps offer scheduling, automation, and voice control at no additional cost beyond the initial hardware investment. Creating routines that actually improve your life is what matters most. A morning routine might automatically turn on your coffee maker, open your bedroom blinds, and start your shower at the right temperature. An away routine could turn off all lights, lock your doors, and adjust your thermostat to save energy. An evening routine might dim your lights gradually, lock your doors, and turn on outdoor security lighting. These routines run automatically without you thinking about them, which is the real magic of smart home automation. If you're interested in exploring which budget-friendly devices work best together, Smart Home Under It has curated lists of smart home picks that won't break the bank. The site focuses specifically on quality automation solutions under reasonable price points, which takes the guesswork out of your first purchase. The best time to start automating your home is right now. You don't need to spend a fortune or understand complicated technology. Start with one smart speaker, add a few smart bulbs or plugs, and create routines that solve real problems in your daily routine. As you get comfortable with the technology, you'll discover new ways to automate that make your life easier and more efficient. So here's my question for you. What's the first thing in your home that you'd want to automate if you could? Is it lighting, temperature, security, or something else entirely? Think about that, because that's probably where you should start building your smart home system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.